Set of 2 metal wire racks for kitchen and cabinet organization. Convenient storage for dishes, coffee cups, small cans, seasonings, medicines and more. Stackable design saves space on countertops or in pantries or cabinets, used side by side or stacked. Durable steel wire construction coated in plastic to prevent damage to delicate items. Tool-free assembly. Individual dimensions, 12.5 length by 8 depth by 4.5 height. Top reviews from the United States. Seems bigger and sturdier, get many. I got this set of 2 to raise my portable printer up and have room for paper below that and a tray of tech supplies below that. It is perfect. My printer is a bit heavy and is 1 3/4 longer than the shelf, which I knew, and it still sits there almost as if it were designed for it. Its shelf below is shy of 11 needed for a stack or ream of paper, but it's fine the other way and is strong too. I have those little white trays with an open slat design all around, about 9 by 5 or so, you know the ones. They are plastic and usually come in a set of 2 or 3 at a dollar store. You probably have them all over, just like they do at so many doctors' offices, physical therapy locations, dentists, and many other extremely expensive places that for some reason can charge you and your insurance an arma and a leg, but see no point in spending more than 33 cents to 50 cents on cheap trays to keep your blood samples, orders, false teeth, bad eye, and so on housed in like it's nothing. Maybe they don't even spend that much because someone you know who shall go nameless spends all their time and money at the thrift store and would pick these up with pen marks, cracks, maybe even a bloodstain, to save money to buy cheap pens and cutesie-poo lanyards too. The nerve. Well, one of those trays fits perfectly long ways and you can still get your hand in the tray, well, unless you have hands like Sharon with at least 10 inches from wrist to the tip of her finger.